Will the man charged in a lawmaker attack face a death penalty for his crimes? That's what we were hoping to find out today in federal court. Vance Boelter is charged with killing former House Speaker Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark in their home last June. State Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette were also shot that same night but survived. Their daughter Hope narrowly dodged the bullets and called 911. Boelter today faced a judge for 6 federal charges, including murder, stalking, and firearms violations. John Lordson was in the courthouse in Minneapolis for the hearing. John, it seems like the state is still deciding on whether or not to pursue the death penalty in this case.
Yeah, that's right, Reg. You know, that was brought up during the last court hearing in February. It was brought up again today, and it's really one of the last details that needs to be decided upon before this case can potentially go to trial. Now, Vance Boelter, just like in February, showed up in court today in an orange sweatshirt and orange sweatpants with his attorney seated on each side of him. Hortman family members were also in court today, along with a number of state lawmakers who were close with Melissa Hortman. When Judge Dulcie Foster asked Assistant U.S. Attorney Matthew Forbes about seeking the death penalty, he told her he expects the U.S. Attorney in Minnesota to make a recommendation within days. If the death penalty is recommended for Vance Boelter, it has to go through a review process through the Justice Department in Washington, with a final decision likely made by Labor Day. So as of now, no decision has been made on whether or not a death penalty will be part of a potential trial. Vance Boelter has pled not guilty in this case. This hearing happened just a day after the Hoffman family filed a civil suit against Vance Boelter. Now, they did not speak after court. They did not have a statement, but after yesterday's decision to file that civil suit against Vance Boelter, they released a statement saying our attackers should be held to account in every manner, Reg, that is legally possible. So their stance on this has not changed from the beginning.
Thanks a lot, John.